Hi traders, how are you? I was looking here at GJ that it looked like it did like a fake out and now it's coming back through this area, which it seems to me like a range, but in the same time there is the possibility that the price it may continue to go up. Why? Because if I'm putting here like a trend line, maybe it can gives me, let's say, like a small direction that the price it may continue to go up. But I want to see how the price will react around this area, because I don't like it, because we have some mess here. I was reading one of the message from the chat group, from the educational group, that somebody was asking about GU, saying that let me go on the chart of GU. About GU, somebody said that he thinks that GBP is weak and dollar is becoming stronger. That means that the price should continue to go down, okay? And that means that dollar it's gaining strength. And then he asked about, well, what's happening with gold, because it has also USD. Well, if USD, if the dollar is becoming stronger and stronger, then it will be strong with all the pairs, okay? So that means with gold, that means that if the dollar is strong, that means that it will push the price down, okay? So all the pairs with USD, they will move in case of a USD will be stronger. So gold, if the dollar will be strong, it's going to continue to go down. GU, the same. Euro USD, again pushing down. So like this, you should understand. And your question, it was very good, and that's why I said all the time ask questions, because you will receive answers, okay? Also, I said about today that please send analysis and charts, because believe me, they will help you a lot. I am staying every day on the charts, okay? And I'm learning new things and I see new things every day. Although I'm trying to see only the patterns that they are, I'm interested, I don't know how to explain you, but you should do the same. And you should understand that without mapping up your charts, without using TradingView, because I saw that one guy from our group, sorry, he sent a chart, but he sent like, I don't know, like a picture, made it with his phone, and I couldn't see correctly what happened there. Plus he had millions of lines there, like EMAs, and I couldn't give any answer to that. I said that I'm sorry, I cannot understand anything. And you should try to use TradingView, because all the traders are using TradingView. It's like it helps you a lot to map up your trades, and it helps you to identify where do you have your how you say, support and resistance. Okay, you can do it also in the MetaTrader, but there you execute your trades. I mean, you don't stay there to make your analysis. I'm thinking like this. I mean, you can see me, and you can see also the other traders that they are how you say, they are doing live streams and so on, okay? I want you to tell me that if you can hear me, okay? With my snowball here. And coming back to our charts, let's see if we can find anything nice to trade today with GJ. Now it seems like it's rejecting this area and it's coming back to through this range zone, and I am waiting to see how the price will react around this area. So I'm expecting maybe the price to reject from here, from almost 300, okay, 200 and something, and maybe the price will come back down again. We don't know. I am waiting for the price either to break up or to break down again. So waiting and waiting and waiting. Hi, can you please analyze Euro GBP? No, sorry, please send the chart. And plus I don't want to analyze something that I have sent it today like a signal. I don't really like to do these kind of things. Plus I think that the trade is going in through our favor, and maybe you are not in our group chat. Maybe that's why you are asking about Euro GBP, you said? Yes. And yes, I don't like to speak about the signals that I give them, but I am waiting to see that price will make another move. The problem with Euro GBP is that I have noticed that it's moving in the same time with GJ. It means that if GJ is going down, Euro GBP it's going up, and sometimes it can gives you, let's say, a confirmation that a price is doing something and the other one is doing something else. Okay, so I can see on the 30-minute that the price, it's like rejecting from this area. I would love to put it on the 15 to see how the chart looks. So it seems like, come on, leave me alone. So it seems like if we are going to do exactly like this, it means that the price, it's like in a range zone. So sometimes we don't trade when we are, let's say, in a box. Okay, so this is one of my rules that I'm trying to respect it, and that I try to trade it when it's out of the box, okay? Because like this, I know that I have continuation, okay, through the zones, and it will be easier, let's say, to take any trades. Because, for example, here, look at the price, how ugly he moved, and you don't have big candles, and you don't have, how you say, you don't have the insurance, let's say, that the price will go straight to this area where we have the resistance, okay, 147, 300, that the price will go straight, and that you could be able to place here a buy, yes, a buy, and the price to hit your take profit. So maybe the price will play like this, very ugly, and that's why I avoid playing on the range zone. So this is on the 15. Let me check the 30. The 30 is trying to push up, and let me see the daily, the daily 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour. We still have 18 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. And I really want to see how this candle will close, okay? Because there is the possibility that the price may continue to go up again. good. Hello, hello, Vinod. How are you? I hope you are fine. I'm fine too. I was a little bit upset in the morning with the signals, but now I am better and better, saying myself that this is Forex and it's happening. Plus that you should not trade ever with a big lot size, because you never know what the market can gives you. Okay, so we had a guy that from the group in the morning that he played EURJPY with a very big lot size for his account, and I told him that he doesn't have to play more than 2% of his account, okay, from his balance, because you never know what the price will do. Plus he put two orders, okay, and he had a big volume, okay, for his account, so it was a little bit difficult to trade like that. Plus he got scared because the price went down, and when he saw his account, let's say, in minus, he thought that, oh my god, I'm going to lose all the account. The problem is that it's your fault playing with a bigger lot size. To play a bigger lot size and to make money, you need money, okay? If you want to trade, I don't know, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, you have to use a proper risk management and not risk more than 2% of your balance. Why? Because you can end up losing your money. So I'm telling you this from my own experience, and I'm telling you this because I'm trying to protect let's say, in a way, your money, because I don't know exactly how much money you have in your balance and so on. So it's simple. If I don't trade with a bigger lot size, it means that you shouldn't, okay? So don't play that you are gods and that you know everything, or if you are trying to copy someone, you should not do it all in, because you are not playing poker here, okay? You are trying to create a business, as I'm saying all the time, okay? So regarding to GJ right now, it seems like it's trying to push up, and I really want to see how this price will close in about 14 minutes, because I want to see if we can have let's say a pattern for going up or down, or maybe it's going to stay in the same way of ranging, okay? So it looks like on the 30-minute it's ranging and so on. But if I'm going on the 4-hour, because here I wanted to come and tell you, is that, as you can see, the price is in an uptrend, first of all, okay? The price push it high a lot, and all the time you saw that we need, how you say, we need a retracement all the time, okay? So 2 days ago the market went up and after came back down, then it went up again, then back down. So what is the probability now to go up again? It's higher than to go down. Why? Because first of all, if we put here, like if you put here a line, it's like the price is trying to create a support, plus we have again this huge rejection, okay? The same here, we had rejection and then the price went up again. Where we can go again, maybe the price will do the same. As you can see here, it's like repeating the same thing. Maybe the price will do the same and it will repeat also today what it happened here 2 days ago. So as you can see, the price is trying to flip the bearish candle into a bullish one, and I'm expecting to see that the price will push up more. And that means that if, let's say, we are having like a pattern like it happened yesterday and 2 days ago, I'm expecting that the GJ may do the same thing, but maybe it can go to 147,900. Okay, so it's a lot for today to go up almost 900 how you say, to go how many pips do we have here? 15. So let's say from here up to here, 120 pips, and from here to here, okay, 90 pips. The thing is that I wanted to say 900 points. The thing is that it's very important also where this 4-hour candle will close, okay? Because it shows me here that the price is trying to create a support, okay? So that means that the next candle should shoot up. I could have a buy. The only thing that doesn't let me buy it for a moment, it's because it's in this stupid range right here, which I think that the price, it may come through this zone of 300, okay? And maybe the price will reject it, and then it will play like this a lot, and after that maybe the price will do the movement that we want, okay? We can jump into gold as it is moving up. So we should get into GJPY now. No, you should not go into GJPY right now, because you didn't see me putting any how you say, I was just explaining you where the price may go, and like this you should do on your own at home, trying and asking yourself, what is the probability for GG to go up and what is the probability for GG to go down? And like this, putting yourself questions, you will get answers. So no, I'm not in any trades, and I explained you why, because I don't like that the price is still in a range zone if we are going also on the 30-minute and the 15-minute and so on. So should we get what did you say about, can we jump into gold as it moving up? Well, gold, you don't see anything in gold. I mean, my God, it's like, do you see something strange in gold? Wait for the price to break, either up or down. Okay, it's very, very simple. Where the price can go. First, it may go here. Okay. Let me go also, sorry. Yes, I put it, let's say, correctly right here. Okay, first stop should be here at 17.95. If the price, so if the price will continue to go up, you can have a buy if the price will close, sorry, 17, let's say 17.95. Let me go on the 30-minute. Yeah, 17.95 and 80. Okay, and where the price can go to 1800. Okay, around this area. If I mean right here, right now, it seems like it's in a range. It seems like where is it, the currency? It says that at the moment, oh come on, charge. Okay, at the moment GPY it's stronger and USD it's stronger. Okay, so we have to wait to see if the price will stay in a range or not. For example, with the GBP and with the GJ, okay, they are almost at the same level. That's why at this time we can do the same thing like we did with gold, and we can see that the price is ranging. You see why I said I'm not going into a trade with GJ, because the price is rejecting, and because we don't know if the price will go straight to this area of 300. So all the time wait. I told you, and I will repeat myself, 90% of the time you should wait, only 10% of the time you execute. And you must have, how you say, an accuracy, how you say, I don't know, I think you saw how difficult it's to play trades and also with real money, because your legs are shaking, okay? And because you are afraid that your market will eat your money. Well, listen, the market will do this if you don't predict well the market. And I tell you again, it's impossible to predict 100% well the market, okay? It's impossible. So don't think that all the time you will have winning trades, because it doesn't exist something like this, okay? This is only in fairy tales, and only in fairy tales you will find out that you can become a multimillionaire from this. Yes, you can have a very good life. Yes, you can pay your bills of your phone from Forex. But first you have to be very consistent, and you have to trust yourself, and you must have some money in your bank account to do this. Like we have with our BloomFX EA, where there you have something like, how do I say, the minimum, let's say, balance of the EA must be 3,000. Yes, I know well. So it's 3,000. So you cannot play with 100 or $500 or $1,000. So it's simple. If you want to make money, you must have money. If you don't have money, well, it's a little bit difficult to make money. You can make money, of course, but it's you will see small values, and then you will say, oh, I'm tired of this. Well, I will place a bigger lot size because that guy, he's making money, or me, I'm not making, and I want to make also $100 on one trade, and so on. Well, you should knew from the beginning that, I mean, if you want to go in this industry, you must have money. So I'm saying this because you don't have to care about the money that you invest them in the Forex market, because if you will care too much, then you will have that feeling that you will be afraid of what will happen if your price will hit your stop loss, or maybe what will happen if you will be on the drawdown, and so on. So you should not feel this kind of things when you are trading, because it will push you down. It will not help you a lot, and it will not help you grow into the market and to be consistent. So in the same time, you should have another job if you are not a full-time trader and profitable trader, okay? So you must have another job, and let's say the second one should be this one, trying to make some money. I am trying to be very realistic with you, and I'm trying to tell you that this is the hardest job that you could enter in your life. So it's very difficult, because you have to play with your mind first of all, and you have to control everything. I mean, it's very, very difficult because first of all, you work with you, okay? Because the market will always be there and the market will always give you the same thing, because the market always has the same patterns, but because sometimes we don't read well the price action, we can fail and not having profitable trades. But it doesn't mean that you cannot be a consistent and a profitable trader in the Forex market. Only that you should wait, because it's a very difficult road where you have to learn every day, and where you have to understand that money are not growing in on the trees, and don't think that if you are losing a bigger lot size you'll become millionaire, and maybe you are going to drive a Bentley, or I don't know what you have in your head, okay? So put your feet on the ground and let's be realistic, okay? So coming back to GJ, it seems that we cannot do too much because it's ranging, and when a price it's ranging, it's simple, and I have told you many times, wait for the price to break either up or down, but closing, okay? Let's see, for example, EURJPY and EURJPY. Oops. EURJPY, it seems like it's rejecting this area, but in the same time it's in a range zone, which I really don't like it. Okay, and we have the possibility that the price, let's say, let me put it like this. So this is the 30 minute, okay, and let me put here like a resistance. A new hour candle, it just started, okay? So this is the resistance for EURJPY, and in this case we have the price ranging, okay? So it's very simple like this for you to understand where you have your support or resistance in your head now, where the price it can go right now, okay? So it's simple. You have to wait like this. I don't want to put it 600, but okay, let's say around this area. Wait, sorry. So you can do like this, okay? Here around this zone, you don't trade between 127,950 and what do we have here, 127,866. You don't trade. Why? Because you are in a range zone, so there is no trade. The second thing is that if you are looking like this on the 30 minute, it can give you a very good idea what you can do in the future, okay? So maybe the price will reject from this area of 950. Why? Because you have here multiple touches, okay? So the price here created like a support, and then it went up and then back down again. So what the price can do to break either up, okay, or to break either down. So you trade only these areas, okay? So you trade only this one, and you can trade, let's say, max to this zone, okay? So it's something like this one, okay? It's simple. It's simple. So here, no trade, it's ranging, okay? USDJPY. Well, let's go also to USDJPY. I'm doing this because I really don't like it, to be honest, because I want you to send charts. But I'm doing this because I can see that almost all the pairs are in ranging. This one, in the case that also if you noticed, also GPY it's stronger, and also USD it's gaining strength, but it seems like they have a fight here, so it's quite simple also with this one. So if the price will break through this area, well, the price may go around this zone, and that means that if the price will close, whoops, wait, if the price will close above this resistance, then there is the possibility that the price should continue to go up. I don't want to look how you say, for a sell, because I really don't like how you say, how the candles look right here. Okay, and we can have something like this. Let me delete it. Depends a lot on who is going to win here, USD or GPY. Let me put also the trend line. No, it was a fake thing. No, I don't like it. So let me go on the 4 hour to see how the price will do. Yes, it's definitely very simple. So coming back to USDJPY, here the price created a support. Okay, now the price is trying to push up. If the price will close above this area where I told you, okay, then what the price will do to fill this week. Usually weeks are filled when you have momentum, and it seems like the price is pushing up, and also I see these little soldiers here, okay, and they are closing higher and higher, and it gives me the idea that the price, it can continue to go up if it's going to close above this area. But first you need all the time confirmation, because the price may come up and then down to create you like a fake out. Okay, it is better to place two pending orders, one for buy and one for sell for EURJPY. I don't know if it's better to do like this. No, it's not, because the thing, it's very simple, and I want you to understand that you should not be on the market. Okay, I'm doing this because I'm creating a business, because I give signals, because I'm with you all the time on the chats, because I have students, because okay, and because but you, because you are not a full-time trader, okay, this is not your only job. You don't have to stay all the day on the market, and you cannot place an order, okay, and you going out or watching your order from your phone or I don't know what. No, it's a stupid thing. That's why we have computers. That's why we have how you say, the trading view, where here you can do your analysis and so on. That's why you have separate things, okay, like how you say, the meta trader is the one that you place orders. Here is the one that you can make analysis and so on. Forget about those guys that they are showing you on the phone making millions, because it's a bullshit, okay? And don't play from the phone, because you will end up losing money, okay? And I want you to stay in the market, I don't know, 1 hour, half an hour, and if you see that nothing happens, well, you don't trade. You live alone, EJ. I mean, you are, nobody's pushing you to trade, EJ. It's like nobody's pushing you to trade every day, okay? Nobody's forcing you to do something. So that's why I'm saying you should not try to push yourself, first of all, to take a trade, because you will end up losing, okay? You don't have to feel any pressure on your back, because if you will feel, then definitely you will lose. And you don't have to trade, EJ, to put a buy stop and a sell stop, because maybe the price will range all day like this, and plus the price can go up. Activate, for example, your buy stop, and then price to come back down. That means that the price is creating a fake out. So what you will going to do at that moment? You're going to lose the trade, you're going to stay in a drawdown, maybe for a few days, because you don't know how price will play right here, and I don't know what stop loss you are going to use. And by the way, if you are taking here a buy, what stop loss you are using? So these are things that you have to understand, and also with the risk management. So it's a little bit difficult to place orders, okay? So again, I repeat myself, this is not a game placing orders, buy stop and sell stop, and then you go out with your friends and maybe you check your trade on your phone. You are not an expert, first of all, doing this. The second one, it's like I don't know, it's not professional, and you have to be very careful when you are placing an order, because you want to make money, not to lose money, okay? So don't play with buy stop and sell stop, only if you have, let's say, I don't know, only when you are in front of the computer and you really look at that pair, okay? But this, it means that you have to stay 8 hours a day in front of the computer to see if GJ will go up or down, or maybe it's going to create a fake out or not. So you are understanding what I'm trying to say. So no buy stop, no sell stop, and don't play like this, because you never know what the price will do. Maybe creating a fake out and you will lose. All the time you need confirmation for the price to give you the direction, okay? All the time. You don't have the confirmation, you don't go in the trade. Good. Some other questions I like, because today you are asking questions about the pairs, about, I don't know, anything that interests you, because that's why I'm here, for you, to give you a free education for those that they really want to learn, and for those that they are new on this business, and they are trying to make some money. Okay, let me go back to GJ. Let's see what our friend is doing. You see why I didn't place any buy, Mohammed, or who was asking about GJ. GJ, it's crazy right now. GJ, maybe it's going to reject from here, and then going up again to, let's say, but not too far, 200. I don't know. I really don't like how this market looks, and it doesn't give me how you say, any direction. It's like all the market is sleeping, and it's like a chaos. I really want to end up this month, because it's very ugly, and I know from the past that how you say, the March month, it's more how you say, you can have more opportunities for trades, okay? So the price is moving, let's say, faster, is more volatile. So right now it's like I'm in I don't know, at the beginning of Christmas, you know, in December, when the price, it doesn't really have any direction. It's like I don't know where I'm going, you know, up or down. It's like, it's very strange what is happening right now, and I'm not the only one that is saying this, plus some other traders are saying this. So look at EJ also on the 15-minute. I'm staying on the 15-minute because like this you can see the candles and you can understand better, and plus sorry, there is another how many minutes? 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, to see where it will close, but most probably in the same way. Euro USD, it seems like USD gaining strength, and let's see USDJPY and USDJPY, it seems like it's trying to push up. And let's see on the 15 if there is momentum. Yes, definitely the price will go to 106 220. What do we have here? I don't know, but all the time you should wait for confirmation, because the price, it may trick you and come back down again. Okay, let's see GU, because we have GU with USD and the pound, and it seems like it's trying to reject from this area. This is on the 30-minute, and as you can see here, the price retested this area, and it seems like the price will continue to go down. Okay, so where we can have our next stop, the first one, it's okay, obviously here, and then the second one, it's here where the price created like a support. Okay, so the price may come back down again to retest again this area. This only if dollar will stay stronger and becoming stronger and stronger. Let me go again to the currency. I like very much these live charts. You can download it if you want. You can find it very easy. It's livecharts.co.uk, and here you have like, let's say, the currency strength method, and you can see what pairs are weak or are stronger. So in this case, as you can see, USD with GPY, they are the same. Okay, so they are fighting now to see who is going to win, USD to push down the price, or sorry, for USD to go up, or for GBPY to go down in the case of USDJPY. So at the moment, the market, as you can see, it looks very strange. Only the CAD, it's gaining strength. So gold. So looks, I don't understand still with the range. Okay. Gold. Let me see gold. Well, nothing happened with gold, and I told you gold is in a range, and you have to wait. At the moment, you saw when I was speaking with you, the price was going up, and then boom, retracing and back down, and it came back down again, where here it's playing like crazy. Sorry for US 30, but I'm not looking at that pair because I don't have it on my chart, because it's not one of my interests. Okay, so it seems like the price, it's trying to push lower and lower, and if it's going to break this area, then the price, it may continue to go even lower. Plus we have the dollar that it's becoming stronger and stronger, and that means that it gives us a very good possibility to have a short on gold. Okay, so nothing really happens right now on EURJPY. On Euro USD is the same bullshit, nothing right now. Even if the price it's on a downtrend. Okay, if you look, yeah, the price is going down, nothing really can happen. Maybe the price will reject from this area. Okay, because as you can see here, we are going through a zone where we have these rejections, where the price here created like a support, and then the price break it through and then back down and up again. And maybe we can have a rejection from here too at 1.2560. We don't know. Let me see again USDJPY, and it seems like the dollar is becoming stronger and stronger. Let me go on the 15. And because on the 15-minute this candle closed above this area, it gives me the direction that the price may continue to go up to 106,220, where it could be your stop loss, your take profit, and your stop loss should be around here. For those that they are trying to play USDJPY, okay? So there are some pairs that I really don't trade them, or I really don't trust them, but I can see some candles and patterns that they show me let's say a direction, and definitely I said that if the price will close above this area, then the price will continue to go up. For those that they are trading USDJPY and they needed my confirmation to go into a trade, I can say that yes, you can go in this trade. It can be easy also because USD it's gaining strength, and most probably JPY right now it doesn't have so much force, okay? So the price will go definitely in an uptrend. Let me refresh again the page to see. Yeah, it's almost the same, but no, USD it's trying to, it's gaining strength. So again, it's another confirmation that the price will go up, okay? I was talking about this one, and maybe I was missing something about GJ. No, I didn't miss anything, because I can see that the price is still in the range zone, which I don't like it. But in the same time, if I'm going on the 4-hour, I told you that the price may come to this area of 147,300, because also I can see that the price flipped the candle from a bearish one to the bullish one, and now the prices continue to go up to 222 price there to fill this week, and maybe to continue to go to 300. I really don't like that the prices are in range. I really don't trade in a range, but maybe tomorrow we will have we will have new possibilities of trading, because market all the time arrange and gives us new directions, okay? For EURJPY, you can see that the price rejected this area and nothing happened, and I think that this 4-hour candle will close like in indecision for almost all the pairs, because I don't see too much movement for them. So it's possible that the price in this case, the next candle should shoot up again to be a bullish one. Okay, so there is another 8 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and to see where the price will close or not. Not this one, the GG. So as you can see, I have shown you, oh, look at gold beautifully, you see, and this is happening because how you say, the dollar, it's gaining strength, and plus that we are in the last hour of the 4-hour candle, and at that time you have more volatility because the 4-hour candle it's closing. So I can see that the price is pushing lower and lower, and the price may tap this zone. My God, it's going beautifully. For those that they were listening to me and they took this trade, for those that they are playing gold very well, also with USDJPY trying to go up, okay? And all the time you should be prepared to take new trades, plus that you don't have to look through some how you say, so many pairs, because you will not be able see them and watch them all because you need a lot of experience. So including me, because I'm watching through GJ and also UJ and EJ and GU, it is difficult. And also gold, it was difficult for me to go, let's say, into a trade, although I didn't like anything, because all of them, they were in a range. The only one that I told you to take, it's a USDJPY, because if it's going to break through that area, then definitely it's going to continue to 106,200, where you have the resistance. Plus it seems that the price is gaining strength. The US dollar, it's becoming stronger and stronger. And this one, it seems like it's trying to push up. This is on the 15-minute, and let's see how this 30-minute candle will close, and we still have 5 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. So I can say that today it was a very, very good day for trading, for me especially. I don't know for others, but I hope that tomorrow the market will give us other directions, and it will give us the possibility to make more money. So at the moment I really don't like anything. Where to put stop loss on gold? Where to put? Where I should know where you should put your stop loss on gold. Right now you should not trade. First of all, because it went straight down. If you were, let's say, in a trade, if you wanted to trade gold, let's say from up this zone, you could have very, very small, let's say, you can enter here and your stop loss to be here around where you have these wicks, okay? Because you have to risk a very small, okay? This if you wanted to play in the range zone. But this, we're with these questions like where do I put my stop loss and take profit and so on, it means that, I'm sorry, you should not be on the Forex market, because you don't know where to place your orders. I mean, it's like now it seems like GJ is pushing higher and higher, okay? So maybe it's going to break that area. I told you that it will go to 147,222, and then it will go to 300, and maybe if it's going to break that area, then it will continue to go up. The thing is that you should know exactly where to place your orders. I mean, my God, if you don't know this, that's why you are losing money. And don't expect that somebody will tell you anything, I mean everything. Okay, I am here to help you and give you some education because it's free, and maybe to have a trade together, but I am explaining you some things that they are very simple, but in the same time, my God, you have Google, you have to read about them. I mean, you cannot, it's like you want to drive a car but you don't have a driving license. I mean, you should know everything about how to place stop loss, how to place a stop loss, where to place a stop loss, where to place your take profit, and so on. So if you don't know, it's better to invest that money that you lose them on a trade, to invest them in some courses, and like this you will understand and you can trade better and you to become a better trader, okay? Because I know a lot of people that they lose a lot of money on the market, thinking that they are very smart and they can beat the Forex market, but they are losing a lot of money, and they don't want to invest, I don't know, in them. I don't want to say the amount of the money, but they don't want to invest in them to learn how to trade, okay? So sorry for telling you, but Karim, or Karin, I don't know, Karim, please try to learn, and you have the possibility of Google, put there some answers, go to babypips.com, and there it can help you, because if you don't know how to manage your trades, you will not be consistent and you will not be able to make money, okay? Because it's one thing to lose 1 or 2 trades, okay? And it's another thing to lose all the time and not to be consistent, and then you are asking yourself, well, why I didn't lose money? Well, because you don't know where to place your take profit and your stop loss, and because you cannot identify where is the resistance and the support, and because you must have some rules that you have to respect them all the time. Look at GJ, how beautiful it's going up, but it's in a range zone, and I said that I will not play it. So I'm respecting this, okay? But I can see some things. This one, it's like it has another 42 seconds for this 30-minute candle to close, and it seems like it doesn't want to go higher, and it will play somewhere here. Maybe it will stay more in a range zone. Euro USD, I said that maybe it's going to reject from this area, and I have put it the support. This one, no. USDJPY, it seems like it's trying to push up, and the next candle should continue to go up to 106,220. What do we have there? GJ, the same. If it's going to break this area, then it will continue to go up, but we should wait, okay? So it's still in a range zone. GU, it seems like it's trying to push up, but I don't like where the price closed it, and it seems like the price will reject from here, okay? And the gold, it went down, and maybe now it's like creating a fake out, and maybe it will be very funny to see gold coming back to this area too, okay? Good. So I will not stay too long right now, okay? I will go out, and I will come tomorrow, okay? Maybe to have, maybe we can have some trades together. I like when I have on the live sessions on YouTube, when I'm giving signals here. I love it. But now I can see that today I give you some direction. Look at GJ, my God, it's rejecting from that area, but you see, that's why I'm not pushing myself to go into a trade. I prefer to stay, because it's better to stay, okay? Sometimes it's better to stay and wait. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I am awaiting you also tomorrow on the live session. Maybe we can do it, no, I think it's going to be at the same time, 2 o'clock my time. So when the New York session will open, and maybe we will try to stay a little bit longer, because I really want to see what will happen later on. Now it's a little bit impossible for me to stay a little bit longer, because I will start the courses right now in about half an hour, almost half an hour, 20 minutes, and I have to prepare myself, and Okay, sure, I will need to continue to learn. Yes, Karim, please learn. I don't want you to sound that I am mean, or I want you to understand and to learn how to trade. Okay, so coming back to what I was saying now, I am waiting for you tomorrow, because we will do again a live session together, and I hope that the price will give us a direction and to trade together. Okay, look at GJ, my god, how it's rejecting, crazy bastard. I like very much GJ. Okay, so see you tomorrow, and don't overtrade. And for those that they are already on my group chat, see you there. We can have a chat and to see what we can do later on. Okay, and for those that they are not on my group chat, they can send me a message, and they have 1 week free to stay on my educational VIP group, and there they can learn some new things, and they can learn how to trade and how to send charts, because definitely all the people that they are in the group, they should send everyday charts, because like this you can improve and maybe to be more consistent and to make money. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and don't overtrade.